Hey folks, Chris Young here, and today I want to talk about the Forest River Salem FSX line of conventional travel trailers and toy haulers. These small, lightweight campers are designed for those of you who appreciate an active lifestyle. Now, they also do feature a platinum line that is noted by an X at the end of the model number. When you see that, that's to let you know that those are the laminate travel trailers versus the aluminum travel trailers, but the floor plans, they're going to remain the same. The travel trailers are very similar in length and weight, with length from 21 feet to nearly 23 feet, and in unloaded weight a bit over 3,200 pounds to just under 3,800 pounds. The Salem FSX toy haulers have more variance. In unloaded weight, they run from close to 3,300 pounds up to around 5,600 pounds. Now, as for length, they vary from nearly 22 feet up to just over 32 feet. Now, the Salem FSX has nearly the same amount of toy haulers as they do travel trailers. So let's take a look at the travel trailers first and start with the family-oriented bunkhouse models. Now, there are three bunkhouses: the 177BH, the 178BH-SK, and the 179DBK. The 177BH is more of a traditional small bunkhouse with a corner camper queen bed, stacked rear twin bunks, and a convertible dinette. As such, it sleeps 5. A slide helps make the 178BH-SK add more sleeping capacity. Within the slide sits a large U-shaped dinette, with the 178BH-SK also having double-over-double bunks and a front corner camper queen bed. It can sleep up to 8, and it also comes with a sweet outdoor kitchen. The final bunkhouse, the 179DBK. It has double-over-double bunks on the camp side adjacent to a convertible dinette, plus a Murphy bed up front. Adding it up, you can sleep up to 7 in the 179DBK. The final travel trailer floor plans are specifically designed for couples on the go. Both the 167RBK and the 170SS are rear bath floor plans. The 170RBK has a Jiffy sofa Murphy bed combo up front, with the entire back wall taken up by a nice-sized bathroom, plus an outside kitchen. The 170SS has more interior space as it has a living area slide containing a U-shaped dinette. The 170SS also has a Jiffy sofa plus corner camper queen bed right up front. There's a 4 to 5 person sleeping capacity, but the 170SS is still designed for a camping couple. Our last couple-focused floor plan is the all-new 169RS. The 169RS has a single slide-out containing a jackknife sofa, plus a bar top spanning the entire back wall, emphasizing the fun and functionality. You'll also find an entertainment center with a fireplace right there in the living area. Up front, you'll find a corner queen bed. The 169RS sleeps 3, or a couple with 2 small kids. That does it for the Salem FSX travel trailers. Now on to the FSX toy haulers. First up, the 181RT. This toy hauler has 5 feet of garage space plus another 10 feet up the middle until you run into the camper queen bed. With the flip-down sofa, the 181RT can easily sleep 3. The 181RT is a great option if your toys happen to be motorcycles. Toy hauler number 2 is the 190RT, a toy hauler with 10 feet of garage space plus an additional 6 feet or so right up the middle. With a cargo carrying capacity of more than 3,000 pounds, you can certainly take an ATV with you inside the 190RT. With 2 flip-down sofas and the camper queen bed, you can sleep up to 4. The next 2 toy haulers, the 210RT and the 260RT, are the same length, nearly 29 feet, and have the same garage space of 13 feet. At 2,600 pounds, the 210RT has a slightly less cargo carrying capacity, but has a larger bathroom and can sleep up to 4. With an entertainment center and fireplace, the 260RT has more lounge amenities for when you're done with your trail bashing day. With the flip-down sofas, it can also sleep 4. The 260RT also has a walk-through bathroom. Now, the final Salem FSX toy hauler is the 280RT. The 280RT has an 11-foot garage separated from the living area with a solid door. More privacy is found with the walk-through bathroom adjacent to the garage area. A slide housing a U-shaped dinette expands the living area. Combined with the Jiffy sofa Murphy bed combo up front and the 2 flip-down sofas that convert into a king bed, the 280RT can sleep up to 6. So now that I've finished talking or taking a look at the Salem FSX floor plans, let's dive a bit deeper by looking at some of the features. Each Salem FSX comes with an impressive kitchen that includes a largest in its class single basin sink, high-rise faucet, multiple burner cooktop, microwave, and storage with solid wood slides on ball bearing guides. Other great interior features include Shaw micro abrasive linoleum flooring, 13,500 BTU roof mounted AC, USB charging outlets, and AM/FM Bluetooth stereo. Exteriors on the Salem FSX models have camping items you'll want to include, like a power awning with LED lighting, standard solar prep, spare tire with carrier, and retractable power cord with storage. Tandem axle toy haulers also have a patio deck with railing system on the ramp door. So the Forest River Salem FSX line of travel trailers and toy haulers have been specifically designed for those of you who have a passion for outdoor adventure, and designed with a great RV life introductory price. We're confident that you're going to find the right Salem FSX for you, your family, and of course your toys.